If you're like me, every once in a while you get the hankering for a juicy steak that won't break the bank. So I thought I'd share one of my favorite cuts with you. It's London Broil, and right now we're finding it at some pretty good prices. And just in case you're not familiar with it, let me show you how easy it is to cook up. We start with what's called a top round steak or a London broil. Now, if you've ever grilled one and it curled up on you, here's a trick to prevent that. All we do is cut slits in it about a 1/4 inch deep in a diagonal pattern. Once that's done, we sprinkle both sides of it with some steak seasoning, making sure we rub it into all the nooks and crannies that we've just cut. Now we can cook this on a grill pan, under the broiler, or outdoors on the grill. That's up to you. And when it comes to cooking London broil, make sure you keep it to the medium rare to medium side. This way it won't dry out. Now while this cooks, we saute some mushrooms in a little butter along with a bit of garlic powder and chopped parsley. Now the key to having this melt in your mouth is to slice it thinly across the grain. And when you top this with the mushrooms and all that flavor-packed sauce, get ready for some good eating. So what do you say you go online and get the recipe for our Steakhouse London Broil? And tomorrow, we'll share the recipe for our roasted party potatoes to serve with them. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a steakhouse kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.